Hi, Dorothy. Let me get your piece here. All right. So I think your type treatment and your color palette is cute. It is a little hard to read your email address there, I think because of the font. Let's see. The logo, I don't know. It makes sense to you. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Besides that, because of foreshortening, I think that the ears kind of look like eyes, but I'm not sure. It's just really not clear. And if you look at it small, it really just kind of looks like spaghetti. But if you are working in a cartoon world where everybody knows what that is, it's a different story. But at the same time, instead of spending your effort putting in the Illustrator patterns, really zoom on in on this thing and clean it up. You know, this to me doesn't look like a lot of care and craft went into it, into these curls. Really straighten out the line work, get the edges of the lines, get them nice and smooth, make sure they line up and they're in an arc mode. Pull these lines in so that these little edges aren't seen. And you might say, well, you're just seeing that because you're zoomed in. Well, if you get this printed, you'll be able to see it. When you print on, quality paper or quality printer, all those little things stand out. Okay, so anyway, I like the general look. I just think you should spend more time on that logo because I think that is going to stop you in your tracks. Also consider doing something a little different with that @ sign. Maybe look for another sans serif and use that @ instead. All right, so that said, yeah, I like the pattern. If this is really going to be your envelope, I think that'll look fantastic. Printing something like this might be a fortune though. And the letter, again, I like the general look and feel. You definitely don't want to use decorative font in paragraph form. It just gives you a headache. It's hard to read. All right, that's all I had to say. Let me know if you have any questions.